So at the end of every Smile Jamaica show, we have a quote in the credits. Now our producers pick 10 quotes for us to guess who they came from. All right, listen up. Run the first one. Let's see. Remember that I'll be dead soon is the most important tool I've ever encountered to help me make the big choices in life. Boy. Mickey Rooney.
I'm going to go with Madiba. I'm going to say Mandela for all of them. Oh, Steve, was it?
Yes.
Oh.
All right.
Because he didn't know he was sick, eh?
Mm.
All right. What's the other one?
Dirk.
At least I tried.
Two of us did. We are not makers of history. We are made by history. Obama.
Trump.
Dirk.
I'm sure we're both wrong.
We're wrong again.
Oh.
Wow. Martin Luther. I think I knew it was someone like that. Wrong
This
again.
is going to be a long 4.5 minutes.
You want the cooperation of humans around you. You must make them feel they are important, and you do that by being genuine and humble.
Definitely Donald Trump said this. Definitely. Because he understands being genuine and humble. So I would say...
Well, since you said Trump, me go with Obama again.
Madiba! See? I knew he was going to be in there somewhere, you know.
All
right. Harold, stop looking at me.
Even though I losing, I losing little better than...
Well, obviously that was not Trump.
I know.
It was a joke.
Teasing,
Come on. All right, next one.
Dun, dun, dun.
All great achievements retire time.
Einstein.
You know, why this is very not easy.
Einstein.
Wait a man. This is a creator or an inventor. All right. What he said.
Well, we're not even close to that one. Yeah. I can't even claim say I was close. Well,
Abstract
almost
quotes.
gone. Almost gone. 4? I'm not getting no more
4
wrong.
for 4.
Then put up one with me said, the greatness of a man is not in how much wealth he acquires, but in the integrity and his ability.
That is some leader too. If that's not Martin or Obama or
You go first this time.
Malcolm X or
Bill Gates.
could be, you know, could be, because he gave away all of his money. Who is rich and who is the other one? Warren Buffett?
Yeah.
I don't know who it is. Please tell us.
Almost get one right in the same.
You know, said just a while ago I was going to say, we can't put up a Bob Marley quote. I'm so over it.
At least the name start with B, so I'm closer again. 5. Love. The pen is mightier than the sword, but the tongue is mightier than them both put together.
Journalist, author. Who said this again?
I am not trying that one.
I know this quote, but I don't remember who said it.
You know the quote?
Pen is mightier than the sword, yeah. But I don't remember his who.
I have no idea.
No.
I have no idea. Benji said Marcus, guy.
No, he's not Marcus. Well, I feel like he's a female author.
Well, I don't have to feel, because I know I don't.
Is who, Harold? Since Harold, no. Is who?
Benji said...
Is that a black man? All right, Marcus, you know.
Is who? Marcus Garvey Benjamin. Benjamin. One love him have with Benji have with one love. You can't steal it. If Benji beat me, I resign. Next one.
It's over.
Next one. No pain, no gain.
No pain. Gladys Knight sang this in a song. That's not wrong.
Malcolm X.
But Gladys did sing it. So I still get 1.
You don't get none.
She sang it for true.
I don't. We can't prove it. But
Was it Gladys?
We're probably wrong again. Benjamin Franklin.
Benji, who you did say a while ago? Malcolm X.
Look like Gladys still. Well, actually, him look like the pit. Next one.
I don't like this game.
Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new.
Let me tell you who that is. That's Peter Drucker. I don't know who that is.
Oh. No, sir.
While we playing, we know one a friend from them while we playing this game.
Einstein again. Must get one right. Go on. Oh, Albert Einstein, 1-1. Benji can't beat me. Come again. How much leave? We are the change that we seek. Obama.
That's not fair.
Maybe,
You must
maybe
learn
it's
to
not
wait.
him. Barack
Prince
Obama.
Mbana is
Oh,
joy. He's a change maker.
Turn your wounds into wisdom. I have no idea. Wouldn't even guess. I have no idea.
I don't know either. The game
Oh.
is very hard.
Who? Who is that,
Who
Benji?
is that, Benji?
Oprah.
I doubt that. More like Ian Law. Oh my
Oprah.
gosh!
Twirl.
Benji, how did you know that?
Twirl. One more tiebreaker.
Oh,
They might tell him. They
Benji,
might tell Benji. Of course, they might
there you
tell
are
him.
taking the credit.
Benji, you are such a crook.
Shame on you.
Them telling you,
Can we
or
bring
nobody
up
might tell you the first one,
The
but
next
somebody
code
tell you
needs
this
to be
one. When I
about
lead in
honesty,
2-1
and it
still.
relates to Benji. You're too
I win
thief.
2-1, you're too thief.
Thievery.
What are we kidding?
Thievery is not.
They want to see me, but they see me, oh, Oprah.
Yeah,
Like, know
like
these
I know
things.
this so well. Is that the last one? Yeah. Gee,
2-1 you get.
thanks, Tam. You beat us proper today, proper beat us. Okay.
Well,
I
like
mean,
that.
we knew who the people were. We just had them in the wrong order. No, we did say Marcus, it was just the wrong time. And we
Yeah.
said Barack for the wrong one.
No,
and
I
Martin
got, hold on,
for the
I get
wrong
2, I
one.
get 2, I get 2.
You didn't get 2.
I get Einstein and Barack Obama.
Oh, you did get 2.
Thank you very
True.
much.
It's true.
I'm going to go for a break.
You know that the Global
When we
Tourism
come back, we have
Conference
about 14
is
more quotes to tell you.
2017 is over 45 countries and it's coming up and it's wrong.